Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's always a good time to have you back, and if in case you're here for the first time, please hit that button, subscribe and be a member. Be a member of this house of E.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do.
So first things first, I'm from the market and I got some food groceries that I wanted to prep. I don't know why when just one item in the house is almost to finish every other thing. It's like they all communicate and they're like, let's finish together. So yeah, I had ran out of groceries, and at this point I just wanted to clean my storage dishes and do some good meal prep for like the rest of the month. So yeah, let's do this together.
Give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
So after some time of cleaning everything, now let's just put it together. And I love pineapples. I never like lacking those in the house. And the next thing, I have some carrots. And you guys, this technique of storing your carrots in the water, I learned it from TikTok. I discovered the technique from TikTok. If you store your carrots like that, they're really going to last a while. And basically every other thing, as you can see, now we're restocked, and I even baked. And that is the remnant of some salad that I made, and every other thing. And that's it. We're good to go. I was basically making my homemade yogurt, and if you're seeing this, probably you've watched the video before this one. And I had some remnants from the lemon extract, that is the zest, and some syrup I made. I don't know, It's just very little, but it's lemon extract, the syrup with the sugar. And I thought of making something else. It's been long since I baked, and I want to make my oat bread. Yeah, this is the only amount of oats that I have in here. Terrible. I cannot do without these things. They are basically the major meal of my day. Does that make sense? They're basically what I consume almost every morning. And so I thought of making a banana oat bread stroke cake, because I'm going to be using a round thing, so it's going to be basically a cake, but it's bread. It's just something. So you've already seen this procedure before. I've made a video, so I'm going to be real quick with this. I'm not going to explain step by step. So let's do this too.
Then dip me underway. Hold me till I scream forever.
Wait. Let me get it in a plate. Ooh, see? Well baked. That's how you know it's ready. See? So, let's see. Let's try getting it out of the pan. Am I sure I'll use you in this video? Apparently, we were going to a certain place, Brownies, that's the name. And guess what? Vile tumeenda adventure. Kumbe this place is locked down. Like it's not operation. It's shut down. It's not operating anymore. And the way tumeenda adventure, uko thinking we were going for a nice Nice, nice time. Wapi. So we had to change mine and come back to Buraha. You know. Fun fact, you guys, we went to a distance on a boda, and this wig of mine, I had the trouble of a lifetime. So you do the wind when you're riding on Andothi, and it's so massive. I'm afraid of just you're still on Andothi, and then you come to realize that the wig is not on the hair anymore, on the head anymore. So I had to go like this, like I just have to keep my hand on the head. And I'm literally questioning myself, nikijambia sasa these people were staring at me kwa matatu. What are they thinking? That if these chicks just let go of a hand from the hair, kichwa bila nywele, that would be me.
another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding.
End of my meal prep. Look at my salad. Look at that. Here. This is so nice. It has all the colors and everything in here. I was just in the mood to eat salad like tonight. Isn't it beautiful? And the smell of cake is hitting the whole house. Anyway, that's it. And now let me tilt the camera. Yep. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed. Please subscribe in case you haven't. I am the nutritionist. I come to you as the nutritionist in this video. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, hit like, please subscribe, and tell me what to do next. You know, a lot of my friends actually ask about this salad, and I know I did it very quickly. I'm going to do another video in a detailed manner. But for today, that is how it looks like. I have all the colors: yellow from the pepper, orange from the carrots, tomatoes, corn, egg, lettuce, everything. So that's it. Let me wait for the cake, and when it's ready, I'm gonna show you how it also looks like. And please go and watch my videos. I have baked before. I've even done a collab with Shish. Just go see how I bake, with or without the oven. And then I also wait for the milk to ferment, and I'll show you tomorrow. Bye! See you next time. Ciao.